folks, James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today this absolutely stunning 191 BMW 4 Series 430D xDrive M Sport Coupe. This is absolutely mint condition. It has BMW LED front lights, the massive M Sport bumper, front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the parking with the silver trim. Come around to the side. You have the BMW smoked alloys on run flat tyres with the M Sport badging, the blue brake pads, the black trim surrounding the windows with the privacy glass in the rear, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 430D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear LED tail lights, and the xDrive badging. Also on board you have the rear parking sensors and a rear parking camera to give you that complete 360-degree parking view. This car is also fitted with an automatic boot. Just a simple touch of the key fob and she'll pop right open for you. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now folks, over inside you can see the BMW multifunctional paddle shift M Sport steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, sports plus mode, a comfort mode, and an eco pro mode. You have the 360-degree parking sensors and the rear parking camera. Also on board you have the BMW iDrive, the BMW teleservice, fitted with enhanced Bluetooth, navigation, connective drive, and many other features. You have the iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the manual handbrake, the heated seats, air conditioning. The interior comes in the black Dakota leather with a black and platinum trim finish. Fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, upgraded sound system, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, the BMW SOS service system, the keyless push button start ignition. The BMW teleservice is also touchscreen. This car is truly well kitted and well specced. There's many other extras included in this 191 BMW 4 Series 430D xDrive M Sport Coupe. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. My name is James Barr and I hope you enjoyed this video.